This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Phyllis and Pamela Realtors. This unique unrestricted 530 seconds flat acres has 3 extra septic tanks and 3 extra city water sources for other homes. The garage was built to live in and has a permanent generator installed and propane gas tank. Great potential for a mini farm or rental lots with river view. And 10 by 16 outbuilding. For more information, review the details below or contact Phyllis and Pamela Realtors at 304-546-1691.